Hey lady, it's Gina. So here's my Ninja here. Here's my smaller cup. I just have some zero water in it. And this is the one I'm going to make a smoothie in because I usually share my smoothie with the girls. So I'm going to do a strawberry, banana. I freeze my bananas. And I'm going to use the pineapple to help with the sweetness. I usually do blueberries, but I'm not going to do blueberries today. And then I throw a few prunes in there just to, I don't like to eat them. And then there's the fresh spinach that I'm going to use from Walmart. So I use water and ice to make my smoothie light. I don't use milk. I'm not a fan of really any milk in my smoothie. I tried it with almond milk before, but I just didn't love it. Dylan, can you check on the baby? So, let's get started. I'm going to put my bananas in first. I got half a banana. Well, since I'm sharing with the girls, I'm going to do like more like a whole banana. Let me get some more bananas. These ones are getting pretty old. So there's my banana. I'm not doing blueberries today. Like I said, the pineapple definitely helps to make it kind of sweet. Oops, I gotta open this one. I finished the other one yesterday. There you go. Of course, I didn't put it low enough. Just a few, 5 or 6 pieces is usually enough. Help it be sweet. I'm gonna do some strawberries today. We usually skip out the strawberry because of the seeds, but strawberries are okay. And I don't know if you know this, fruit's not that sweet anymore. What's wrong? You want a strawberry? You want a frozen one? I throw a little bit of cinnamon in mine. Where is it? I don't know, it seems to give it a good little flavor. And where is it? In a stevia packet. I never use sweeteners, but I do use them in my smoothie. So yes, I'm a sweetener. I mean, that's pretty much all I use. And then I'm gonna throw some ice in first, because I can never fit the ice later. Once I put the greens in, it's like, forget about it. But I can manipulate the greens to get the blender through, but when I try to put I'm gonna skip the prunes too. So it's like getting your salad in a cup, you know, getting all those good vitamins. And you don't have to drink the whole thing, you know, it's just, you know, he said you don't have to drink the whole thing, you know, if you can't get through it yet. But it's like just getting all those good nutrients. Get those. See, because I got so much fruit. Mine's thick, so mine's gonna come out thicker than his in the video. But he doesn't use ice. He uses milk. So you see how much thicker mine is? But it's so good. 1 second. All right. I hope that helps.